Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Mutiara Hardiyan from 11 Science 2. Today I'm gonna tell you how to make free website with Odoo. These days, many people do and promote their business through digital platforms. But many of them didn't get much amount of audience, and one of the reason is because they are not market it well. As we all know, aesthetic is the key, especially when it comes to design and packaging. To engage people, we can introduce our products through websites and design it to the suitable vibes of our brands. Let's learn how to make it.
Search www.odoo.com login and choose the login website so you can sign in immediately. And then click create and you can choose website. After this, you have to fill the form that exists right after you choose website. Then click start now. Look for a theme that suits your business, then pick it by press the use this theme button. Choose any blocks you want to build your website and then you can edit it by double tap the default text. You also can change the picture by tap the replace button. If you are done, click save on the top right corner and you can edit it later. Now your website is ready to be shared.